How to update Roblox on Windows or PC. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, let me guide you through quick steps on how you can update Roblox on your Windows or PC. Well, the process is simple. You have two different steps in order to update it. The first is you can simply head over onto your start and there you can search in for Microsoft Store and open up Microsoft Store. Once you open up Microsoft Store, you simply want to search in for Roblox. Now you can also head into the list of installed apps or downloads, or you can simply head into search apps and searching for Roblox. Here you should be able to get that easily, and you can see if the update is available. You'll be able to get the update here. So if you have installed it from here, the next thing is you can either head over to your browser and you can head into roblox.com and log in and proceed to open up any game. Now it'll ask you to launch it on the app, and there once you launch the application, you can also open up the application directly. But once you have done so, it should ask you for the update when you go ahead and proceed to enter the game. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.